How to avoid highways in Waze navigation. First, open Waze app. At the top left corner, you will see three line. Tap it and go to settings. In settings, scroll down and tap navigation. This is where you can customize how Waze plan your route. Look for the avoid highway option, or you will see avoid motorway. Toggle it on. Waze will now plan route that avoid highways whenever possible. Enter your destination. Tap go. Waze will calculate a route that avoids highway while still considering traffic condition. You can also toggle avoid toll roads or avoid ferries in the same menu to fully customize your driving routes. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.